Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix PS5 network errors. First, let's start with the basics. Always begin by checking your internet connection and making sure your router is working correctly. A simple restart of both your PlayStation 5 console and your router can often resolve many common issues. Also, ensure your PS5 system software is fully updated to the latest version, as this can prevent compatibility problems and improve stability. Next, let's dive into your network settings. You can try manually setting up your internet connection on your PS5, which sometimes helps. A common fix is to change your DNS settings to public servers like Google's, which are 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. For the most stable connection, especially during online gaming, consider using a wired Ethernet cable instead of Wi-Fi. Your router and firewall can also be culprits. Make sure your router's firmware is up to date, as manufacturers frequently release updates that improve performance and security. Enabling UPnP, or Universal Plug and Play, on your router, or manually setting up port forwarding for your PS5 can open necessary connections. As a test, you might temporarily disable your router's firewall to see if it's blocking your connection. If the previous steps haven't worked, we move to more advanced troubleshooting. You can try rebuilding your PS5's database in safe mode, which can resolve data corruption issues. As a last resort, a factory reset might be necessary, but remember this will erase all data. If all else fails, don't hesitate to contact your internet service provider or PlayStation support for personalized assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.